Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a Devops engineer. So in this video, we are going to see about Ansible role. How to create your Ansible role. For this, we are going to see this video. So before that, I have shown already how to create a Ansible playbook. If you never watched this video, you can check out on my previous video so that you can get more clarity on this video. So coming to this, I have already created the Ansible playbook for my Apache installation. So why we need to create a role? For in your playbook, we have like a three task. But when coming to real time scenario, we may contains like a n number of tasks, like it contains 20 to 30 tasks. You may have like a different users, and you may have the different environment as well. So for, they need to clone it, or they need to use it. But when you want to do some modifications, or when you want to add some more thing without editing your playbook, we can go for the role. To create a role, you should need a playbook. Let's see on this topic. You may get some more clarity on this. So we are going to first create a role for this. So Ansible Galaxy init, and you have to give the role name Apache install. So this is my role name. So you can see here role Apache install was created. So once it's created, you can see here this is the directory. So you have to look into this directory using tree command. I'm going to check this one, and here there are a number of directories inside this directory. Let's see what inside this. It contains a readme file and a default values. If you are going to enter some default values, you can give inside, but we are not going to look into more here. And like a files handlers, we are not going to see. We are just going to create only the role for the purpose of understanding the concept. So here I'm going to only add inside this task alone. Other than we are not going to add anything. So let's dive into the directory here, and we have directory called a task, and inside we have main.yaml file. And here I'm going to my copy paste my already I have created the playbook, so which I'm just copy pasting inside this one. So I'm just adjusting the alignment here. So this is perfect now. Let's save this. You can see I added only the task. Other than that, I did not added anything. So let's move on to our topic. So here I already created role, and inside the task I have entered my playbook details. So let's create one more playbook. So here touch install Apache role .yaml. So this is my playbook name, and here install apache.yaml. Here I'm going to create a role for this. Let's give some name for this role. Install Apache using role. And here the you can give host details. You can give local host or all, or your group name, and this should be going to execute as a root. And here you will enter as a task, but here we are not going to do that. Here we are going to give roles. Inside this role, we have to give the name of the role which you are going to call. You can give multiple roles here as well, and this is my role name. So install this is my role name, Apache install. Apache install. So now I created the playbook install Apache role. So I'm going to execute this playbook. By doing that, it will call my role which I have already created. The name has Apache install. Before that, we will do some dry run. Ansible playbook I, my inventory file details under host, and the name of the playbook which I have created is install Apache role.yaml check. So you can see it's doing inside my playbook whatever I have done. So it's calling from the role, which means like it's calling inside my role whatever I have given while executing this. Let's execute. So like this, you can create your role and you can create another playbook. In that playbook, you can call your role. So like this, you can do for the different environment for the different users. I hope this video gave some clarity and understanding. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.